Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about how I 2 times my salary for 5 years. Let's get it. In at number 1, I have got to choose a lucrative industry. Some industries will pay better than others. A quick Google search and you can identify some of the top paying industries here in the UK and worldwide. It isn't rocket science. The more lucrative and the better pay in that industry, the more likely you are to gain promotions, gain pay rises, and 2x your salary. If you are really looking to maximize your earnings, money is the sole factor for you, then you need to be extremely aware of the potential that you have when it comes to your earnings. In at number 2, we have to get qualified. I am a chartered global management accountant. Because I have that title, I am able to demand more of a salary and I am able to take on better paying, higher level, greater capability roles. This isn't just true for the accountancy industry, but any industry you choose. The more qualified you are, the greater skills you have, the greater amount of money that you can earn through doing your role. It is a stone cold fact that a person with a qualification and a demonstration of their expertise within a particular industry and a particular skill set will be able to charge more money than someone that is not. And in number 3, I have to work hard and to perform well. Displaying a good track record and progressing through a company, displaying your skill set. By developing your expertise, your knowledge and your understanding, you will be putting yourself in a position and you will be trusted by the employer that they will allow you to work upwards through the promotional ladder. The higher up the organization that you go, the more remuneration in the form of salary or other benefits you will receive. And for example, within my own career, in order to double my salary, I was able to obtain my qualification, which earned remuneration depending on the level that I progressed through the qualification, and 4 further promotions, which enabled me to double that salary. My 4th point is reputation and to gain critical experiences. By performing well, working hard, progressing through the organization, you are building up a level of reputation. That reputation and people appreciating the results that you've delivered throughout your progression of that organization will allow you to land critical experiences. You will be top of mind of managers, bosses, directors when it comes to a new project and who are we going to place on that project. Organizations will have a pool of candidates that they will provide preference on who they put into these projects in order to develop their experiences. There may even be certain pathways, certain cohorts of training that teams will put certain individuals for based on their high level of performance. This obviously puts you in a prime position because it allows you to demonstrate your performance, but then find yourself in positions, projects, training classes to develop your skills and to take on new critical experiences. And through that reason, again, through developing your critical experiences, your knowledge, your capabilities, you are able to earn more and progress through the organization into those higher level roles that you thought may never be possible. And then last but not least, we have one that may not be spoken about enough, but it is to simply switch businesses. It is a well-known fact that you can jump ship from one company to another and in one go you can earn 25-30%, if not a bit more, salary increase. When you're promoting through your business, you may not be able to earn any more than about 5 or 10% increases for each promotion that you gain within that organization. You may also have an annual pay rise that is linked to the level of inflation or the performance of the business, which may again only be in the region of 3 to 5% if you're extremely lucky. What I would say here though, and I throw caution to the wind, is you do not want to have an impression of building a CV of someone who just constantly jumps ships between businesses. It could impact you negatively when you do look for your next role, because they'll look at your CV and see, oh well, they've been part of 5 companies in 5 years. We're not expecting him to stay a year longer. We want someone who's going to commit longer term. Well, therefore, we'll take someone on who's shown that they've got 5, 6, up to 10 years, for an example, experience at the current organisation that they're part of. Do throw caution to the wind with that one, but it is, if you get to a certain point in your career where you feel you may be stuck in the organisation you're in and you want a way that you can jump ship and earn a bit of money, then certainly looking at another business in maybe a more lucrative industry or in a higher level role, moving from middle accountant into a director position somewhere else, may be a perfect alternative for you in order to progress and increase your salary. If you want to find out more about the pros of being a CGMA, then you can do so right up here. Goodbye.